Hey guys, I'm Brickarms here, and today I'm coming back at you with another haul video, and today we're going to be looking at Brickarms Workshop Wonders. I always get my Workshop Wonders, or historically I've always gotten my Brickarms Workshop Wonders from Eclipse Graphics, which I did this time as well. They're a great company that sells some great custom LEGO products and sell a lot of these Brickarms Workshop Wonders, and I can't speak highly enough of their customer service and their speed at shipping, and essentially just them as a company. I think that they really do a great service for this community. So this is a special shout out to them to go ahead and check them out. You should really support them. They're a great company. But I guess starting off, I already dumped these out, but the first thing, you always get a ton of freebies in Eclipse Graphics orders. I think that's awesome. So first, what we have is this sparkly orange, which is a little interesting, but an artillery shell. Then we have a sparkly orange combat knife. We have a sparkly green, I believe it's Luger. Someone can go ahead and correct me if I'm wrong. And then we have two silver futuristic weapons. I think that this left is a Halo rifle. I'm not entirely sure. This one also might be something from Halo. I'm not the best with those sci-fi weapons from movies and video games, so go ahead and let me know if you guys know. But why don't we jump into the first Workshop Wonder here, and that is the all-white, I believe it is a Panzerfaust. So as you can see here, hopefully I called it the right thing. I'm not the best at naming World War II equipment, but I thought that getting a white one of these in a plain white would be really cool for possible customizations, and also would be really nice for a winter scene, because I think that this kind of white color would be a good kind of base to put a camouflage on top of. That was essentially my thinking in getting this. Nothing other than that. Fairly simple. You know, these have been produced before. Not recently, but they were produced historically in, I think, a tan color. So it's nice to get one of those. The second Workshop Wonder that we'll look at, I believe, is actually a gun from Fallout. I'm not 100% sure, but if you take a peek here, essentially it looks like a Car 98 body with a gigantic silencer attached to the front. It's like a one of those air can silencers or gas can silencers. Now, I'm not entirely sure if this is from Fallout. I thought it was. You guys can go ahead and let me know in the comments below if it is, because I think that I'm right. Hopefully. It's my hope that I am correct. Why don't we leave everything that we've done so far in the back? I guess before we get on to my favorite one of the Workshop Wonders, we'll go to one of the, I guess, the more mainstream items that I got. I got one of their reloaded M27 IAR infantry assault rifles, and so essentially these are random overmolds that come with random colors. So I was actually pretty lucky. In this one I got a black base with a gunmetal mag, a gunmetal tip, and then also kind of a gunmetal scope. I think the only thing that could have made this one better is if that scope wasn't gunmetal and was maybe a tan or even a black. It really would have made this gun entirely, I think, really usable. Even in its current state, I think it's really usable. So I'm actually very pleased with the version that I got. Just kind of, you know, it's random, so you don't entirely know what you get. You might get something great, you might get something not so great. But I think that mine was pretty solid. And then finally, my personal favorite Workshop Wonder that I got were these tan M27 IARs. So what you can see is a difference from, I think, the production version, which is this overmold version, is that it does not have the front handhold, as you can pretty clearly see. Something else is that this is also a swirl. I don't know if you can see it in every single one of these. Let me see if I can get a better example of the swirl. But there is, here, I think you can see this one. You can see there's a very faint gray swirl that is included in this one. So that is awesome to see and really cool. I'm actually very excited to have gotten these because I think that I could use at least a couple of these with the modern Marines that I got from TMC, because I think that this tan would look pretty cool. And I did order some tiny tactical stuff, so I can add that as additional stuff on top of this. Other than that, I don't really think that there's anything else to add. This was, you know, a haul of these Workshop Wonders, and I'm very pleased with the ones that I got. I think that I was very lucky to get these. The only thing that I missed out on was that there was a gold overmolded revolver, which I really wanted, but I just didn't check out fast enough. But it is what it is. That's how these, you know, that's how Workshop Wonders work, and that's how sometimes these releases go. But other than that, I don't really have anything else to add. So as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe to the normal stuff, and I'll catch you next time.